Tessa's Art Tables. My name's Tessa, and today we're going to make this heart castle. Now you can draw something else in the middle of your heart castle or present castle or whatever you're making. But I want to draw a heart because I want to show lots of things, and I can draw little things down here and little things up here, and it's one of the most easiest. So you might need scissors for this one. So if your parents don't let you use scissors, just ask for help or ask for permission that you're allowed to use them. Now, before I draw anything, I'm gonna fold my piece of paper like I'm making a birthday card or an anniversary card for my adults at home or my adults somewhere else, or just something like that. And now I'm gonna make half a heart. Now it might not look like half a heart, it's okay. Here's what you're gonna do. We're gonna cut on top of that half a heart. And now I have a heart. A little foldy heart. If you just want to keep it, you could use it, but I don't need it for right now. Now, I'm going to open up my piece of paper. And there it is, the heart. Now I'm going to fold it again. And I have two little squares. I'll do two little squares over here. I'm going to do a few little squares, but before I do any more, this one's a bit big, which is okay. I'm going to look at how it looks. Now, I don't need any more. I think this is fine. So here's what I'm going to do. Like I have in my example, I'm going to draw, it was a little shorter than this, which is okay, because I know what I can do. I can either make a line and cut it, or I could just leave it how it is. I'm going to leave it how it is, and I'm going to take a few different markers in my hand, except for like brown and black and white or gray. And I'm gonna hold them. And these are the markers I'm gonna be using. A lot of them. And here's what I'm gonna do. I might take out a few other ones. Just throw some lines, about two of each color. Just throw some lines over there. If you want it to be in rainbow order, you can do it, but I didn't use rainbow order for this. I was grabbing different colors. It's okay if you use the same. Maybe just put them over here if you use the same. And our color chart we're going to use later. Maybe for the ones you use, just put to the side so we get a chance for every color. Now you can do two colors at a time like this. Just make sure you get two lines. Now see how pretty that looks? If I just went in rainbow order and did what I wanted to do, it wouldn't look that nice. Where did my light blue marker? Now, my dark blue, just gonna shoot out. Now, finally, my favorite color, yellow. I'm gonna add a few more strips. Need the brightness in there, so I might color it in a little to make it look so bright, which is what I did over there to make it look like, wow, that's really cool. Now, like I had in here, the bottom of the streamers, I'm gonna add some hearts to complete the heart castle. I'm gonna add some hearts to the side. I didn't in my drawing, but I feel like it, and that's what I'm gonna do. Little hearts up here, like it's shooting confetti. I think that looks really cute. Now I'm gonna take a look back at my thing. I'm gonna look at the pattern up here. It goes. Now I don't have highlighters here. I don't have any highlighters here, so I'm just gonna use yellow. So here's what I'm gonna do. Here's the pattern. It's gonna go orange, this was supposed to be highlighter. If you have any highlighters at our house, you can use them at your house if your parents say it's okay. And then purple. Purple. Yellow. Red. Finally, blue. I remember the top being yellow, but this is going to be a fresh design. I don't need it to be exactly the same. Now, I'm going to do the same pattern. The straightest orange line. Oh, that didn't connect. It's okay if it didn't connect. You can make it a little bit more like a fat line than a skinny line if it didn't connect. So it didn't connect, you can make it like that. Then, looks like there's a fat strip of yellow. And then I see there's some purple. Purple. And a bit more yellow. Now we see some red. And a little bit of light blue. Now, I don't know what colors to do my heart castle because the other one was just that color because it was skinny. Now I see at the bottom of mine, before I choose the color I'm going to make it, I'm going to add the green that I had down here. Make it look like it's standing. I don't know what color to do this part. So I'm going to choose a color that I really like. Maybe this color that's not here. I think I'll do this color. It's like a berry. So I'm going to not color into the stuff that I drew. I don't want to ruin it. So I'm just going to color around the stuff. Like the streamers. If I want some these color streamers, just make little lines, but I'm not going to color over it. It's okay to make the stuff a different color. I'm copying what I did. And who knows, you might be able to give this to someone. Or you could show it to someone. You could do a lot of stuff with this heart castle. And now we are done. And always write your name on it, because someone's gonna think this is a beautiful piece of paper, and if that has no name on it, they may keep it and you won't get it back if you worked days doing it, or they might just throw it out. And then one day you probably look in the garbage can and it will be there and you don't want to have to pull it out. So always write your name. And if it's a color you can't see it in, make sure it's a color you can see it in. Well, this is the end of this Tessa's art video, but remember, keep drawing and keep reading, because that can inspire you to draw the things you like.